This simple video will illustrate very clearly the functioning of the single international catalog. The yellow circle represents the world, and the sky blue circle represents the various real estate websites. The graph shows very simply that there are many real estate websites in the world, and that they vary in size and importance. They may even be millions. The green dot represents the potential customer who is looking for a property to buy, and the blue dot represents the seller. To enhance the visibility of the property, the seller tries to put them in as many sites as possible. For the same reason, the customer, to find the right property, is forced to look for in as many sites as possible. Let's now imagine that you have a single container which can publish all the properties in the world, a sort of universal collection, at the service of the whole world. Rustici.com has created it, and in our graph it is represented by the red circle. This means that every vendor in the world can enter into it all his properties for sale. Such a mechanism is also extraordinarily useful to the customer, that so can do a single search, show of reviewing all the properties available simultaneously. Rustici.com does not just create a single catalog, but also provides an incredibly simple and powerful way to make the perfect search with just one click. In the image we have now in front, we can see how sellers of properties normally behave. They make all the possible efforts to publish their proposals in the various sites on the internet. All this requires a huge commitment in terms of time and money. Subsequently, we also see how those looking for a property to buy behave. Even in this case, a huge amount of time is required if you want to make a serious search with respect to all the offers available in the market. Let's ask ourselves, how high is the probability that a customer among millions and a seller among millions can meet? Really very low. Finally, let's look at the mechanism of the single international catalog. All the sellers of the world can gather their offers together in it, and the customer can examine and compare all of them with a single search, extracting the precise property with just one click, taking time a few seconds.